Hi and welcome to Core, your design system starter kit. Our goal is simple: to help you designers deliver and ship high quality products. Inside the Core Figma file, you will be able to set strong and solid foundations using the power of variables. Choose and test carefully your typefaces and your colors, and define all the necessary design values for a clean start. Core is using design system best practices like good naming conventions and clean component properties. Start with the smallest building blocks, the components, up to sections, and finally full templates. But what is the use of a good and solid starter kit if you don't know how to use it? And that's why we created Core University. Here you will find some onboarding sessions to get familiar with Core Pro. We will give you a quick start so you can start your own design system. We will share some insights about Figma and design systems. And this platform will be continuously updated to help and guide you to create your unique design system and deliver high quality designs. We are always here to help and look forward to seeing you on board.